Tell me a little bit about your back pain. Where did that start? How did that start? How bad was it?
Oh, I have rods in my back, and my pain is really, really bad.
Okay, how bad on a scale of 10, 0 to 10? How bad was your pain before we started today?
Or 8, 9.
8, 9 today. Okay. And so you've taken a lot of meds for this
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
stuff, and you actually
I'm
know
diabetic, and
you're diabetic.
yeah.
But how well did the meds work for you? The medications?
My pain meds, none.
Okay, so no help there, right?
No.
So we did the auriculotherapy, which is acupuncture in the ear without the needles. And was that comfortable for you? Was that painful treatment at all? Was that
No,
Okay.
really it wasn't.
how fast did it take us to get you out of pain?
Oh, from 8, 9 to 3, 4 in no time at all.
Okay, but then when you got up, there was no pain left, right?
Nope.
Okay, so total time, how much time did that take, you think?
Probably about less than 5 minutes.
Okay, less than 5 minutes, good. And so your comment to me was about that was, you can't believe how fast this works,
Yeah.
right? And that's kind of typically what we see, right? So anyway, good results, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Really
so
good.
easy, kind of fascinating how fast it works. So anyway, that's Betty. Got her out of pain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's done a great job on my back.
Yeah.